How do you say, I'm sorry, in Spanish? It's lo siento. Repeat after me. Lo siento. How do you say, I apologize? It's me disculpo. Repeat after me. Me disculpo. Spanish is easy with me. Just give me 1 minute every day. How do you say, pardon? It's perdón. Repeat after me. Perdón. How do you say, forgive me? It's perdóname. Repeat after me. Perdóname. Keep watching if you want to learn Spanish. How do you say, I regret it? It's lo lamento. Repeat after me. Lo lamento. How do you say, excuse me, in Spanish? It's disculpe. Repeat after me. Disculpe. Leave a comment with your favorite Spanish word. How do you say, I'm really sorry? It's lo siento mucho. Repeat after me. Lo siento mucho. How do you say, I feel terrible, in Spanish? It's me siento terrible. Repeat after me. Me siento terrible. Follow me for daily Spanish lessons.
How do you say today in Spanish? It's hoy. Repeat after me. Hoy. How do you say tomorrow in Spanish? It's mañana. Repeat after me. Mañana. Spanish is easy with me. Just give me 1 minute every day. How do you say afternoon in Spanish? It's tarde. Repeat after me. Tarde. How do you say night in Spanish? It's noche. Repeat after me. Noche. How do you say friend in Spanish? It's amigo. Repeat after me. Amigo. Keep watching if you want to learn Spanish. How do you say money in Spanish? It's dinero. Repeat after me. Dinero. How do you say food in Spanish? It's comida. Repeat after me. Comida. Spanish isn't hard. You're just not subscribed to this page yet. How do you say house? In Spanish, it's casa. Repeat after me. Casa.